Hi everyone, I am Ms. Simpson. This is probably the first video you are coming to look at because you want to know how to interact with my homepage. So welcome. Let me go ahead and get started. Share my screen with you guys so you can see what I'm doing while I'm working. All right, let me go ahead and go to Canvas. All right, so this is my homepage. You probably clicked here in order to get to this video. Talk about my bookshelf really quickly. So this book right here is the book I'm currently reading. It's called I'm Down by Mishna Wolf. All right, and this book will change on my bookshelf. And when you click it, it will take you to Amazon. So that way, if you want to purchase the book, download it, if you want to read more about it, you can click on there and do that. The book right next to it will be whatever we're reading in class currently. We have not decided what our first book's going to be yet. I'm actually doing that on Thursday of this week. So once that's done, I will put that right here. When you click on that, it will take you to the audio book, okay, for whatever it is we're reading in class. And then finally down here will be our textbook. When you click the picture of the textbook, it will take you to the online textbook. We do not have that link up yet. I am, fingers crossed, hoping we get that very soon so that way I can get that active for you all. All right, let's talk about my bulletin board really quickly. You'll see my bulletin board up above my bookshelf. Right here, Zoom, my Zoom conferences. I have 2 tutorial times. So if you need a little bit of one-on-one help, you're not understanding what's going on, I have 2 times during the day. One in the morning and one in the afternoon where I'll be doing some individualized instruction. And I say one-on-one, but really it's open to multiple people. So anybody who wants to come on during that time, you can just jump on, okay? So in the mornings, it'll be from 9 to 11 a.m. And in the afternoon, it's from 1 to 3 p.m. In order to get to the morning tutorials, look over at my board. You'll see the Zoom link right here. It says AM. You just click the AM and it'll take you right to Zoom for the morning. If you want to come to the 1 to 3 in the afternoon, then the afternoon come on and you'll click this one, and this is for our afternoon session, okay? And you just jump right on. All right, also my bulletin board, you'll see Remind. Remind 101 is a service that, hopefully many of you are familiar with it, but it allows you to communicate almost like a text message with your teacher without me having to give you my personal phone number, okay? So you can access it and sign up for it 2 ways. You can do it through text message, in which case you just go to your texts and you just text at JSIMPENG1 to the number 81010. And you make sure you put that little @ sign in front of it. Or you can download the app from your from the Apple Store or the Google Play Store for Android. Download the app and then you can sign in. You'll say join a class and it'll ask you for the class code, and that class code is JSIMPENG1. Okay, if you are working on an assignment and you need an answer from me quickly on how to do something, you're not sure, okay, messaging me through Remind is the quickest way to get an answer from me, okay? Okay, go away. And so that's the quickest way. I'm so sorry, my children interrupted me. That's the quickest way to get in touch with me, okay? You can, however, send me an email. And in order to do that, you click the computer right here. That will take you to my email. Okay. However, I don't check email as often as I do like a text message. When it bings my phone, I'm going to get it right away. So if it's not an urgent question and you don't care if it takes me a little while to respond to you, then you can go ahead and send me an email. If it's something you want an answer to right away because you're in the middle of the assignment and you're trying to get this done, you need to message me on Remind, okay? So I cannot stress the importance of signing up for Remind. I do this every year, and I still have 50, 60 kids who don't ever do it, okay? Please, please, please sign up for Remind, okay? All right, so that's how to contact me. So how do you get to your assignments each day? If you look at my board, you'll see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, okay? So Monday and Tuesday, when I hover over them, you'll see my arrow doesn't change. That's because the first week of school, we do not have school on Monday or Tuesday. We start on a Wednesday. So there's nothing there, okay? Those are teacher work days. So come over here to Wednesday, which is the first day of school. You would click it. this will pop up, okay? Each of these are clickable. I'm not going to click Meet the Teacher because I want you to meet me when you watch that video, so I'm not going to show you that now, okay? I want you to go to it and click it. But I'll show you the other two. Student survey, you'll click this. It takes you to a Google form. And you'll fill this out, okay? And tell me a little bit about yourself. All right? And then introduce yourself. A text box, I'm a teacher, so I don't have the text box. I can't do my own assignment, right? But a text entry box, that is what will pop up here. You'll type a little bit telling me a little bit about yourself, anything you want me to know, okay? Maybe you have dyslexia, so you're a slower reader. Maybe you have ADD, and so you really need a very quiet place to do reading. Otherwise, you end up having to read the same sentence or the same paragraph or the same page over and over again. It gets very frustrating, okay? And I know that sometimes working at home and doing this online, especially if you have younger siblings or a parent who's working or your house is in turmoil, isn't always a peaceful, quiet place to work. It's not always conducive to that. Okay, so if those are things you want me to know about you, put that, you know, in here. Okay, anything you type in this text box, only I will be able to see. Okay, and that's with all the text boxes that are like this. The only time that's different is when it's a discussion board, and I'll show you that in just a moment. All right, so that's day one. Let's go back. Okay, Thursday. From Thursday on, the first bullet point you guys are going to see on my board is going to be video lesson. And that's me going through the assignments for the day, explaining exactly what I'm wanting from you, what I expect to see, if it's a response, maybe how long I'm wanting the response to be. Okay, all of that will be in my video lesson. Okay, so please watch that first. So then here you would click netiquette video. You're going to watch a little video on Thursday about netiquette. That's just kind of how you should behave appropriately online and what's good manners, what's bad manners for online interactions. And then you'll take a quick little quiz. Go back here. Once you do that, you're going to complete your reflective writing assignment. Again, it'll be via a text box, okay? So anything you type in here, only I will be able to see. Okay, let's go to Friday. Again, Friday will start out with a video lesson, me explaining, okay? You'll click SMART Goals. You'll watch the video about how creating goals really helps your mental effectiveness, especially during times like this in a pandemic with COVID-19 and everything going on, and how these types of big, huge, almost traumatic moments in life can really affect our mental health, right? And so continuing to set goals is really helpful for our mental health. Okay, so you'll watch this little video, then you'll learn about what a SMART goal is. And then you're going to write your own SMART goal. So this is a discussion board. You will have to click reply to the discussion. You'll type your own, hit post. Once you hit post, everyone will be able to see what you typed. Everyone in the class will be able to read it. Okay? Likewise, you will be able to read what everybody else posted. And you'll see here, I ask you to respond to some of theirs. I'll explain more of what I want in my lesson video for that day. But I do want you to be aware, if it's a discussion board, anything you type, everyone can read. Okay? All right, so that's how discussion boards work. All right, so going back here, once you do that, yay, you finished the first week of school. Congratulations. Okay? So that is how you are going to interact with my virtual classroom. Okay, so quick reminder, books are over here, what I'm currently reading, what we as a class are currently reading in the textbook. Zoom information, tutorial times, how to sign up for Remind. To attend tutorials, AM, PM. Access your assignments, all right here. And if you want to send me an email, you will do so by clicking my computer. Okay, I hope this helps you guys navigate my classroom a little better. Again, if you have any questions, you can message me on Remind, or you can email me. And I really hope that we are able to get together soon and be face-to-face, even though you'll probably only be seeing this much of my face. But I do look forward to meeting you all in person, and my heart is so sad that this is how we're having to start the year, but I'd rather have you all alive and healthy and safe, okay, than putting anybody at risk. But I do look forward to meeting all of you when we're back in class. Bye.